Welcome to Kiran Tutorials. This is a video series on Introduction to C. In this video we will see how to accept the input from the user and how to display the output on the screen. Let's start with the video. We will open Turbo C++. In this video, we will write a program to declare variables of different types. Then we will ask user to enter values for this variable. In our last video, we have assigned the values to the variable at the time of declaration. Now we will ask user to enter the values for the variables. And once the values are entered by the user, we will assign these values to the variables and then we will display the values. So in short, this video is for how to accept the input from the user and how to display, how to print the values on the screen. That is output on the screen. So let's start with the program. First of all, we will include header files # include stdio.h. Second file we will include #include new.h, then void main, then we will write the body of the program. So first of all, declare the variables of type. First variable I will declare integer, let's say a. The next variable float, let's say b. Then we will declare one variable double. Clear the screen. Now we will ask user to enter the value for the variable a. So I will write printf give a message, enter integer value for variable a. /n is used for new line. So after reading this message, user will enter some value, some integer value. So I need to accept the input, accept the value which is entered by the user from the keyboard. So whenever I am accepting input from the user, I am using scanf function. Printf function I am using to display, to print output. Scanf function is used to accept the input from the user. Syntax of scanf function is in double quotes, what type of value we are accepting? We are accepting integer value from the user. And whenever we are accepting integer value from the user, I will write %d. After double quotes, give a comma. Then entered value you want to assign, you want to store in which variable? I want to store the value in the variable a. I want to assign the entered value for the variable a. So I will write %a. This symbol is called as ampersand. Now why to give this ampersand symbol? On this I will talk in the on the topic pointer. Right now just keep in mind, whenever we are using scanf function, we need to write ampersand symbol and the name of the variable to which we want to assign the value. Next, I will accept float value from the user. So give a message to the user. Give a proper message, meaningful message, enter value, enter float value for variable b /n. Then now again I will accept the value, so scanf Now what type of value I am accepting from the user? I am accepting float value. So I will write %f after that comma, to which variable you want to store the value. You want to assign the value. My variable name is b. So I will write ampersand b. Next, I will accept double value from the user. So printf, I will give again message. Enter double value for variable, name of the variable is d /n. Then I will again use scanf function to accept the input. Scanf. Now whenever we are accepting double value from the user, I will use %lf and then comma ampersand. What is the name of the variable? The name of the variable is d. So we have accepted the value from the users. We have assigned the values to the variables. Now we will check whether the values assigned to the variables are correct or not. So how we will check? We will print the values on the screen. So now print each value on the screen. We will use printf function. First we will display integer value. See, value of a is equal to %d. Whenever we are printing, we are displaying integer value on the screen. I am using %d. Then name of the variable. Name of the variable is e. If you want to print next output on the new line, you can use /n over u. Semicolon. Then I will print float value on the screen. Writing value of b is equal to. Now what is the data type of b? It's a float. So I will write %f /n after double quotes give comma. And name of the variable. Name of the variable is b. Similarly, I will display double value on the screen. I will use again printf double quotes value of d is equal to. Now what is the data type of variable d? It's a double. So when we are printing double value on the screen, I will use %lf /n comma name of the variable. Name of the variable is d, and then get ch. How to accept a character input from the user and how to display a character output on the screen, that we will see in the next video. Complete the bracket. Now we will save our program. File, save. Give some meaningful name to the program. Writing input.c. Compile the program first. So compile. There is no error. Execute your program. Enter integer value for variable a. I am entering 3. Enter float value for the variable b. I am writing 3.2. Enter double value for the variable d. I am writing 456 point. So you can see the output value of a is equal to 3, value of b is equal to 3.2, and value of d is equal to 456.23. So whatever values we have accepted from the user, same values are assigned to the variables a, b and d. This is how to declare the variable, how to accept the values from the user using the scanf function for different types of variables. Thank you for listening. How to accept character input from the user, that we will see in the next video.